Hello, this is Brad Wilson, Dwell Realty here in Anchorage, Alaska. How's it going today? Hey, you're tired of the pandemic hunkering down? The sun has been beautiful the last few days, and this weekend I'm hoping will be the same thing. Get out and do something, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy what Alaska has to offer. When you're out and about, hey, I'm going to be doing an open house at 5945 Heather Wood. Go west on Dimond, go past Sand Lake. At the second roundabout, make a right-hand turn on West Park. First street on the left-hand side is Heatherwood. Hey, make a left there. I'll be at the first house on the right-hand side at 5945 Heatherwood. I would love to see you. I'll be there Saturday, tomorrow from 1 to 4. Beautiful home. If it's raining out or if you just want something to do, enjoy a beautiful home, come on by and see me. I'd love to see you there. Brad Wilson, Dwell Realty, 907-441-7178. Have a great weekend.